Mi gente, what is good with you? Coming through with some more credit repair results videos. Hey, listen, child support, student loans, bankruptcies, bad mortgages, all removed in the first 30 days. That's what's up. Anyways, mi gente, hey, a lot of these are going to be Equifax. And let me tell you something. I know. Many of you are going to be like, yo, Gizzy, all you give is Equifax. I know. Listen, I'm getting these results. It so happens that Equifax is the bureau that people are getting fast results right now, but you know we give credit repair results for Experian and Transunion. So hold on, and let's stay tuned for this credit repair results video.
Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't be scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
No
legend.
longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.
So, mi gente, many of you have seen our credit repair results videos. Matter of fact, these two right over here have been our last two credit repair results videos. Customers in Colombia, that is Colombia, the country, South America, and people in Hawaii also getting credit repair results. So thank you so much for you who log on and subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss any more of these videos. Again, my people, I am just a small channel. Been doing credit repair for 10 years. I get customers every day. Every day someone starts credit repair with us. I just make these videos just to be accountable to you and so that you can see that, hey, we still working here and we helping people in all 50 states, even internationally. Anyways, mi gente, let's go to the video. Also, mi gente, before we start, just want to introduce you to our newest our website. Nice and clean. Did a couple of weeks to get it done. We'll still be updating the videos. The website. If you're looking for a credit repair quote, right over here, just write me your info. I'll get back to you because this goes directly to my email. Business credit is right up here. Do-it-yourself credit repair system, the credit repair system, and the do-it-yourself credit card funding system are all here. Then we have also credit education, which goes to our credit repair videos and our podcast on YouTube as well, so that you guys don't miss a beat on how credit works and you guys could be educated consumers every time you're going to go and apply for anything with your credit. Let's go. Okay, this are credit repair results for Experian. I know this video is going to be mostly of Equifax, but just want to let you guys know this is Experian credit report for a customer who started credit repair with us. This is the husband actually does credit repair as a living, but he didn't want to work on his wife's credit. So he'd rather pay us to do it for him. And actually he purchased our system. But again, if people sometimes you get family members, you don't want to do it for them, and you're like, you know what, I'd rather pay for you to do it for her because she's going to be on top of me and everything. I said, bro, look, we already seen credit repair results for her for Experian, for Equifax and TransUnion. Now these are the credit repair results for her for Experian. As you can see over here, we have deleted accounts. First Premier, U.S. Department of Education. So all of you want to know about student loans being removed not only from Equifax but TransUnion, but they can also be removed from Experian. Yes, all three bureaus, as you can see right over here. Of course, we have Portfolio Recovery, Webbat, Fingerhut, K Jewelers, all the famous ones that you guys know that you want to get with your credit. They can be removed. This is Experian credit report. Good for this customer. Let's continue. So now we have this customer from Savannah, Georgia. This customer we helped out like 2 years ago, and then things happened in her life where she didn't continue with the service, but she's back. This is her first round for TransUnion credit repair results. I know I said before this was going to be Equifax repair results, but I'm getting these emails and I already have them, so might as well talk about these results. So as you can see, deleted CMRE Financial. Also, this Ameri Collection Company has been deleted. Another Ameri Collection Company has been deleted. What we got? We got this information was deleted. Diversified Accountants. And that's about it for this file, which is great. We still got a couple of more negatives that were verified, but still good results in the first round for TransUnion for this customer in Savannah, Georgia. Okay, so now we have this file that this is Equifax results for this customer started 30 days ago. This was his first round. He is from Huntsville, Alabama. As you can see right here, Franklin Collection Companies right over here, over here, over here. All these collections have been deleted, We go back to the second page, and if we can see, the only thing that's left, okay, because we removed the other Capital One and the famous Capital One has been deleted. The only one that we didn't remove was right up top, right over here, which was verified child support. But no worries, we can remove child support. Remember, this is only the first round of results for this customer. Okay, listen, you commit to us, you pay us for the service, we're going to commit to you until everything is removed from your credit file. And it so happens that in the first round, almost everything was removed from this customer's credit file. The only thing left is his child support, but no worries, we're still here for him. Let's check out the next result. Alrighty, got some more credit repair results for this customer who used to live in New York City, but now resides in Florida. Shout out to you. As you can see, 2 mortgages. Okay, when you got a mortgage or mortgages with a whole bunch of late payments due to COVID or due to you not making payments and you in the foreclosure process, it's gonna be hard to go after all those late payments. We don't go after those late payments. We go after the whole account to remove the whole account, because if not, we're gonna be there forever. So hey, look, might as well delete it from your credit file and your credit score goes up. As you can see, 2 National Mortgage and Donahue Mortgage has been deleted, and the only account that we have left is this account over here that was verified. But still, great results for this customer in the first round of her getting these disputes back. Yay. So now we have another customer, this time from the DMV area, Baltimore area, and we cleaned his file in the first 30 days. Okay, sometimes people come to me with 1 account, sometimes people come to me with 2 or 3, 20 negative. As you guys have seen all my videos, but as you can see, this customer, another mortgage right over here, Wells Fargo home mortgage from Equifax, has been deleted in the first 30 days, and another Chase card. That's it. We're done with this customer's credit report for Equifax. Now we just wait on Experian and Transunion so that we can see and get results. But still, mortgages deleted from your credit file, everything deleted in the first 30 days. Let's go. So now we're going to talk about this customer from Chicago area, Illinois. As you can see, the first 30 days right here, public record, see information over here, dispute received, case results has been deleted. Federal Chicago Bankruptcy Court has been deleted. Only 1 account was verified, but still, I just hate when I don't get everything else removed. But of course, we have a bunch of videos of everything being removed in the first 30 days. But look at this customer, shout out to her, and yeah, that's what's up. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, of course, Equifax child support removal proof is in the pudding right over here. As you can see, of course, we go after your inaccuracies that are on your credit file. So those are the ones up here. And of course, you can see the CCS collection has been deleted. But most importantly, people come to me right now with issues that they have child support on their credit report and they want it removed. As you can see, Florida Department, Tallahassee, Florida. Okay, this item has been deleted from the credit file. Only 1 account left to remove on this Equifax file, and this credit report is done. So still great results in the first 30 days for these people who start credit repair with us. Shout out to you and bendiciones. And that's what's up. Hopefully we are going to remove it from TransUnion and Experian. It's just a process to remove. But when you get fast credit repair results, bro, that's what's up. And on top of that is for Equifax. Once we remove these 2 Equifax, the 1 more Equifax account, his credit score shoots up. He could restart his life. He could go out there and get a car. He could go out there and get some credit cards so that he could restart living his life. And that's what in reality credit repair is for you to restart your life. Shout out to all of you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you feel like or that this video can help others and you're trying to refer us, definitely thank you so much for the referral. Don't forget to log on to our podcast every other Monday. Matter of fact, I don't know when I'm going to share this video, but every other Mondays podcast is here again. John and I get on the phone. We answer all your questions. Don't forget, bad credit is a disease. GizzyCredit team is the cure. Let's go.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans. And time is money, get that cash.